So the common issue with these Hyundai Genesis sunroofs are that you see the rail here. The rail frame is metal, but the insides are actually plastic. So mine's, what it happens was it cracked, and so there's like a pin that slides through. It's like a slider. It slides through, and when it tries to go back, it gets stuck. So one side, the other rail keeps going, but this one stops, and it kind of twists the sunroof. And so here's the new rails here. See this rail here? See, this one actually fit a different car. I believe it's a, I have to look it up, but I think it's like a Genesis coupe, or the other one, other Ford or other Hyundai vehicles, Sorento, all those. See, this one looks slightly different on the front, but they're all basically the same. Like, it does the same thing. So, I mean, it lines right up. So what I did, I took the cap off, the end cap off, and kind of like put this side in. I took the end cap off here. The end cap off here, it looks like this. Took that off, and kind of like put this side in first and kind of squeezed it in, because this is flexible. It's plastic, so it's pretty flexible, but you have to be very careful. But it slides right in. Slides right in. So once you get those rails in, you're gonna slide the rails all the way back. Just gonna slide it back just so you can clear this area here where this slides. This slides in like that. You're gonna do it for both sides. Then I got both sides in. And then after that, you're gonna get these end caps back in. You're actually going to secure the end cap with the screw that came with it, or that you removed. Put that on first. Then you're gonna put, you see the spring here that my thumb is on? You're gonna put the spring back in. Put this spring back in, and it's gonna be secure. You're gonna slide these guides all the way back to the front to where it stops. See, I got this one here. Slides all the way to the front. And then the next thing you're gonna do is attach these back to the guides and the actual track. So the next thing you're gonna have to do, if yours is like mine, see these the actual track pins are uneven. See, if you see this one, it's not even with this one. So it's kind of crooked. So what you're gonna have to do, you're gonna have to align them with the guide first. So you're gonna have to loosen the motor, but don't take it completely out. Kind of back the screws out to where you can get the motor pulled back off the actual track, because what the motor is doing is synchronizing both sides. So if you take it off a little bit, just back it out, don't take it out all the way, and you can pull, you can actually do this and kind of manually pull them back and forth, so you can realign them and put them back into the track hole here. You have to start it here, bring them all the way forward until they get to the bigger hole here, and then they can go into the track. Here now, I got it in the tab here. I got this pin here on the track now, so it's lined up. And the next thing you're gonna have to, we're gonna have to get that thing back there, figure out a way, get a coat hanger or something and grab that and bring it back here. It looks just like this here, but it's for the rear. Finally got it. We're gonna have to reattach it's like an arm here. See these arms? Reattach this to this here. This to this. We have to reattach this here to this guide here. So this should be the easy part. What you're gonna do, you're gonna get the sunroof and put all the screws in. Simple as that. There are gonna be 2 screws here, I believe, and then there's gonna be 1 screw here on each side.